personal experiences guide my practice. Probably those growing up in a working class area on the east side of Detroit. Have to scrape and claw a little bit, had to work jobs all through college, through high school actually, and through college and law school. I've done everything from clean toilets to make money with my voice, and I know what it's like to be low man on the totem pole. I know what it's like to have problems. I know what it's like to be broken down on the side of the road and need someone else's help. And I think that when you have had the experience of other people helping you, when you can look another human being in the eye and be grateful for the kindness and generosity they've shown you, then you in turn become that person. It's sort of a version of pay it forward. Then you want to be that person. And having been the benefactor of good deeds by people, my parents worked hard to put me where I am. I work hard to do the best for my clients. So my experiences growing up where I did, I think contributed to making me who I am. And at the end of the day, I live by that golden rule my mom taught me: treat others as you would wish to be treated.